Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake healthy. Let's start by tackling sugar. You can often reduce the refined sugar in your recipe by about 25% without anyone noticing. For natural sweetness, try swapping an unsweetened applesauce or mashed ripe bananas, which also add moisture. Pureed dates are another excellent one-to-one sugar replacement. If using liquid sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, use about 3/4 of a cup for every cup of sugar and adjust other liquids slightly. Next, let's make smart choices with fats and dairy. You can replace butter or oil with unsweetened applesauce or mashed bananas in a 1-to-1 ratio for a moist cake. Pureed avocado or prune puree also work well as fat substitutes, especially in richer cakes like chocolate. For dairy, swap full-fat options with low-fat Greek yogurt or cottage cheese to boost protein and cut down on fat. Heart-healthy oils like olive or canola can also replace butter in equal measure. Now, let's boost the nutritional value with whole grains and hidden vegetables. Try replacing up to half of your white flour with whole wheat flour to add fiber and nutrients. This might make your cake a bit denser. Explore alternative flours like almond, oat, or coconut for extra protein and healthy fats. Grated vegetables such as carrots, zucchini, or pureed beets blend seamlessly into batters, adding moisture and vitamins. Pumpkin or sweet potato puree also contribute natural sweetness and fiber. Finally, let's talk about baking smarter and serving. When using chocolate, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa solids for more antioxidants and less sugar. Instead of thick frosting, consider a light glaze or a simple dusting of cocoa powder or powdered sugar. Incorporate nuts or seeds for healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy your delicious, healthier cake by cutting smaller, mindful portions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.